Once upon a time, in a little village nestled between rolling hills, lived a young girl named Lily. She had a pair of old, worn-out shoes that she used to walk everywhere. One day, while playing near the river, she stumbled upon a wise old shoemaker. He had a peculiar shop, filled with all sorts of shoes, but one pair stood out. They were the shiniest, most beautiful shoes Lily had ever seen. "Those are my magic shoes," the old shoemaker said, noticing Lily's curiosity. "They can take you to the most amazing adventures." Lily's eyes sparkled with excitement. "May I have them?" she asked, her heart pounding with anticipation. The old shoemaker smiled. "But they come with a condition," he said. "You must always share kindness and help others, and in return, the shoes will guide you on your journeys." Lily agreed, her heart filled with joy. She wore the magic shoes home, and that night, she dreamt of a magical land filled with sunflowers and rainbows. The next morning, when Lily woke up, she found herself in the very land she dreamt about. She spent the day exploring, helping the creatures she met, and learning about their world. Each day, Lily returned home with a new adventure to share, and her magic shoes took her to even more wonderful places. She learned about the importance of kindness and helping others, and she grew into a compassionate, adventurous girl. And so, Lily and her magic shoes lived happily ever after, spreading kindness wherever they went. The end.